What we have here is
Light.
a Gracie quick vlog on the building of the Lego Friends Pop Star Tour Bus. Look how massive this is. Look at all the characters. Yes, we have Livy, Stephanie, and Mia, or Maya. Or
It's Mia.
I
But
think
we
it's
call
Mia.
her Flame. We call her.
And you can call me Ewa. Mia and Ewa. And this is what we have.
I have gotten a fatal injury.
An 81-page instruction manual. Grace is making good progress, and yes, she is fighting through an injury to do this. Do you want to show your injury?
If you do not like blood, turn away.
Watch out. No! Oh, she's fighting through it. She went to the locker room, got a Band-Aid and Neosporin,
Yeah, bye.
and was right back out on the field playing.
Just kidding. We just, had Daddy put me in.
And, oh, here we go here. We got, yes, this already built, booming speakers.
Wiki.
Exactly, 2 turntables and a microphone right there. And that's what we got so far. Grace?
The light.
What do you say to all that?
The light. I'm getting blinded.